the Lone Wolfer backyard. As you can see, the Tomahawk stand and the lake behind me. Today we are going to attempt to modify a little bit the rear pulley on the Sportster. It suffered some scratches, and so we're going to polish it back down to aluminum and see how that looks. All right, yeah, I think it's in some dire need of reconditioning. All right, here is the final result after all of that sweat and hard work that the lady actually put in sanding down that rear pulley. As you can see, it is quite a bit shinier. Brings a nice little change to the rear end of the bike. I think this will actually satiate my want for white walls, as it brings just a little bit more of a pop to the rear end of the bike. But yeah, huge thank you to the lady Claire, being Claire Marie on Instagram. I'll link her below, for putting in the hard work on that and making it look all nice and shiny and pretty. A lot of elbow grease, sanding, and Mother's aluminum polish. It looks pretty awesome. Hope you guys are having a great end to your springtime, getting a lot of riding in. And if you guys have anything to say in the comments below, love to hear your thoughts. All right, guys, rock on.